This is the step-by-step demonstration of how to install the GIVI D7710Kit and 7710DT Clear Windshield on your KTM 790 adventure bike. Before you begin, check to be sure you have all the parts and hardware shown here. To get started, use a number 4 Allen wrench to remove the single bolt that holds the windscreen onto the bike. Then add a lock washer and a standard washer to 2 bolts. Insert each bolt through a hole in the bracket and into a spacer and align them with the 2 center holes in the bracket. Use a small Allen wrench to seat the bolts. With the T27 star key, remove the 2 bolts on either side. Attach the small bracket and reinsert the bolts with locking nuts, aligning them with the side holes on the bike. Hand tighten to allow for alignment with the other bolts to be added. Put a spacer in each of the side holes and then insert a bolt with a lock washer and standard washer attached. Now tighten all 4 bolts using a number 4 Allen wrench and a 10mm wrench. Place rubber caps over the nuts. To mount the windshield, add a rubber washer to each of the 4 bolts and insert them through the matching holes in the bracket. In the back, attach a second rubber washer and a nut to each bolt and secure them with a number 4 Allen wrench and a 10mm wrench. Be very careful not to over-tighten these bolts, as too much pressure could crack the windshield.